Hey, welcome back. Congratulations to Zambia qualifying games. Lesotho, they beat Lesotho 3-1. Here are the highlights.
That ball didn't really threaten to go ahead. It was not the greatest of free kicks, but it was a huge blunder there from Sabata.
Yeah, it's a curling ball that any goalkeeper would save with any great credit. And is it game time? And that has cost him the man with the yellow card. Swarilo Bereng opens the scoring for Lesotho against the run of play. Also very much a conversationalist.
Look at his first touch again, brilliant. Controls the ball, takes on two men, leaves both for dead. And for once, Lesotho were found wanting. Instead of having cover, both players were sold a dummy to Daka Banda Kangwe.
Kangwa will play it short, looking for the return ball. It's a corner, but he's not going to do well enough, because Zambia strike early in the second half and take the lead for the first time. Fans absolutely delighted. Look at it.
Corner, look at the quality of the service. And look at that ball being drilled in there. Player unmarked on the edge there of the 6-yard area. And he took full advantage there, Banda from Lecce. What a fantastic header. Headed it downwards. Look at him. He positions himself, uses his upper body so well to generate power. And I must compliment the quality of that particular delivery. Kangwa, fantastic from a Banda strike there. But I think the keeper could have done a little better just to shift across and at least have a touch. Look at it. He moves across, strikes the ball well. But I think the power and the accuracy just had too much for Morana to deal with.
Sure, the owners of Lecce will be very happy with their 22-year-old. Only his 6th international match.
So it turns out if you are expecting an apology from the gold mafia schemes, whatnot, you're not gonna get it, because it's what's gonna be: deny, accuse, deny, accuse, and deny and accuse. That's all that's gonna happen, and then before you know it, we all have forgotten about it and moved on, sadly. Wow. Man of gold.